Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic landing page like this for your website in Figma. I'm gonna keep this tutorial very simple and beginner friendly so that someone who is very new to Figma can create it easily. I'll try to keep this video short, but please don't skip any section because even a small mistake or oversight can ruin your entire design. Here we have gathered all the resources needed to create this design, all the typography, fonts, color codes, design and logos. And don't worry, I'll share the resource with you so you can download it easily. I'll put the link in the description box. First, select the frame tool and pick the desktop preset. Now add a layout grid, 12 columns, margin of 80, gutter of 30. Also change the color for better visibility. Next, create the body frame and apply a temporary fill color. Drag the logo from my design system and position it at the top. Now let's create the header first. First, we choose a typography and paste it on top. Let's adjust the font size according to the logo size. Now copy it 5 times by pressing Alt and drag. Now let's rename them. Let's say first one is vehicles. Then comes energy. A Tesla needs charging definitely. Then we can say discover. And finally e-com shop. Oh wait, we need to write it on all cap. Let's readjust the position. Now, let's add a decorative wave line. Press P and the pen tool will pop up. After drawing the lines, we need to adjust the curve. It's very simple, you just need 1 or 2 minutes if you're doing it for the first time. Set the stroke size to 150. Make it white with 50% opacity. Adjust the curves and finally set its blending mode to soft light. Next, place the headline and the car image, both centered in the frame. Apply a radial background using the color palette, lighter in the center and darker at the edges. Now add the content boxes from my design system and position them carefully using spacing rules. Now add the main button and supporting text. Make sure to apply consistent round corners. Next, add the color variation switches for the cards on the right side. Let's create a copy of this frame. Simply press Alt and drag it down. I'll insert all the color variations. Let's group them into a frame and name it Cars. I'll create 2 more copies of this frame for 2 remaining colors. Each car variation will have its own frame and matching background gradient. After adjusting the color, select the car frame and drag it to the left. Just press Shift and left arrow and it will come automatically. Then just change the pointer. Now repeat the same process on the third frame. Make the color blue, select the cars and drag it to the left. The design is almost ready. Now it's time to connect the prototypes. Drag switches between car variations for smooth animations. Also set the color buttons to respond on click. It's very simple, just follow what I did and make sure the settings are the same as my screen. Now let's make connection from the first frame to second frame and third frame. Now make a connection from the second frame to first and third frame. And finally from third frame to first and second frame. And we're all set for the preview. Let me know in the comments if this tutorial was helpful. Also, I'll keep posting tutorials on Figma, Canva, Wix website editor and WordPress. Please let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to see next.